Mga kasama, maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo ha.
Hindi pa kami tapos na. Punta kami lubot eh.
Sana tuloy-tuloy na to ha. Wala na, bumalik na ulit tayo sa dati.
Huwag ka, alis.
Yun lang.
Alis na sa yung eh.
Ano?
Oo, tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Yung na pala ulit tayo eh.
Yung kasunod
Sabi nila.
Oo nga. Salamat ha.
Kedman na lang kayo naggugulo eh. Pinoyo na naman eh. Anak na naman eh.
This is Architect Pem. My idol.
Ikaw, idol ko.
Ito may magpuposisyon. Kasama yung mga tropa. Parto, nabitin pa kanina eh.
Parto.
Kaya, isa pa ulit. We are in Abukay Church. Ito bang piyesta ngayon? Piyesta na ito? Nazareno?
Nazareno.
Ayun, piyesta ng Nazareno.
Tumingin ka sa paligid at
Ayun, pagkwentuhan ka, ayun o. Kwentuhan mo. Nilulok ko eh. Pala, isa kanya pala. Ikaw pala yun eh.
Sabi niya, ask you.
Pep, ano ka dyan, Pep? Pala. Si Master Rante talaga.
Vlogger.
Kaya...
Ayun sa akin bro.
Tumat mo kami.
Ayusin mo, Russell.
Ha?
Ayusin mo. Eh, kinakausap ka eh.
Mahirap talaga kami sa
Tama pa sa namin na yan. Ayaw mo. Oh. Papadala ka lang pati. Agad na lang para sa Pilipinas. Oh, tama.
Putas pipi, nagkakamali tuloy ako ng... Tingnan mo. Sabi ko, bitin tuloy. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, ikaw. Sabi ko, ikaw eh. Naintip ko, ikaw. Tingnan, sabi ko, bitin tuloy, ikaw. Sabi niya, anong ako? Ikaw. Ikaw, sabi ko. Isaw. Hindi mo ikaw.
Yari ka.
Kaaway pa.
Yari ka lang, mag-aaway ka.
Hoy!
pagkatapos po ng misa ay meron pong pahalik. At pagkatapos po ng pahalik sa pagkatapos po ng hapon ay ang kanyang posisyon. Sumama po kayo. Huwag yung kakalimutan. Ang buong Nazareno. Pagkatapos po ng hapon, ipoposisyon ang kanyang
Okay, we are ready to go for the Nazareno parade. So we have our instrument, the entire band. Our Yuponyo. Yuponyo pala tawag dyan eh.
Oh, Yuponyo.
Malalakas. Ito, Nazareno diba? Nazareno ba?
Nakasayas kami na tayo pa rin naman.
Every feast of the Nazarene, we do this.
Tatlo lang yan.
Subway.
Dati yun yung siya tayo. Ano? Kaya mahaba-haba yan. Ano?
People go up to watch the procession.
Hanggang draga ata ito eh.
Nasulit siya yata ni
Oo, putang ina. Sobra.
Nirequest si Russell. Alam mo ah. Kami nga, nasuguri. Hindi kami kakisama eh. Sumama lang.
Oo nga.
Isa lang.
Siya na masukol? Hindi, sinigin nasukol ko.
Susukol tayo. Tayong lahat. Bakit hindi ito may yung nasarenong nito?
Kojik.
This is my parang Jimmy. Parang Jimmy.
Napulog sa tabi ng daan.
Madami suka pa.
Naka-short pa yan, tsaka chinelas.
Ay, maraming salamat.
Nakasingko pa.
The National Road. This is our last stop. We are now going back to church. Kay parang Jimmy.
Ito meriendela eh.
Yung password niya.
Parang Jimmy.
Natok na nga eh.
Kami na lang naiwang matibay.
Puwet ako gabi.
Wah! Palis na kami. Pabalik na ulit si nanay mo dyan sa ano? Cebu. Ito, si Kuya Nicky mo. Siya nag-ano yata sa amin ngayon. Nag-entertain. Kasalukuyan kaming gumagayak. Ito. Peng, ikaw naman ang magsalita kay Joshua. Mag-visit.
Ay, wa. Nasaan?
Sige.
Ay, wa. Aalis na kami. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Pupunta ako sa ano, sa
Oh.
city na. Uwi na ako.
Kaya ikaw, bumalik ka dito. Parang Cebu. Saan ka nagpupunta? Sa Cebu, hindi ka makapunta.
Ay, putal lang doon pa yata napuntahan niya na eh, Roma.
Ewan ko ba dyan?
Nakikita namin sa Facebook, kasama yung jowa niya.
Ano sa Facebook.
Trakis ka kung Diyos.
Oo, taba.
Nagbabarber.
Bubuhat siya, malakas din kumain.
Magbabarbil yun.
Pero ano, buo yung taba niya. Buo yung taba, hindi pala.
Magbabarbil pa yun.
Oh, yun na.
Sige wa. Bye-bye.
Nakikita ko
Sige.
pa nagtatarget shooting pa yun.
It's 2:30 in the afternoon and we're just chilling at the farm. Papunta yung manok. Papunta sa fish pond. chicken fell off the pond. We're just resting and chilling. And yeah, this is it. Last day in the Philippines. Tomorrow we head back to US. We enjoyed our stay. We don't want to go back, but we have to. And just chilling here. Thank you to everyone that have supported and followed my Philippine vacation blog. We stayed there for 3 weeks. So from December 19 to January 9, it was a very eventful and very satisfying experience to go back in the motherland and experience what we used to do. I'm glad my kids enjoyed their vacation, and also I miss my family, my friends, and my actual lifestyle back home. Very simple, no stress, happy every single day. People are so nice and very hospitable. And hopefully one day we get to stay there for good. Again, thank you very much for your support. See you on the next adventure. Bye! Bumalik na ako sa Amerika. I want you to remember this day. Today is January 6, 2024. And we are here at Laon, Abukay, Bataan, in my dad's farm. I want you to remember on the days that is very difficult, always look forward the people who live here and the people who cares for you. And I want you to remember the wind, the humidity, the heat, the peace that you have here in your hometown Abukay, the people that cares and loves you, the people you care for, your kids, your family, your friends, everyone. They look into you as an inspiration. Do not let them down. Do not let the struggle run you over. You always fight and dominate in everything that you do. And do not give up. Never give up. Make sure you make a difference whenever each one. Tita Cynthia told you that we need to reestablish the band, teach more kids, make kids love what they do, the love of music. And you wanna come back here and live here for the rest of your life. The true inspiration of the Philippines, the simple living in the Philippines, the people in the Philippines. We can help everyone. Stay focused on your job. Stay focused on your goal. Our goal is to train more people and build more people, to inspire more people, to help more people. Tomorrow is your birthday. All your friends will be here to support you. It doesn't matter if they have work or they don't have work, they will show up more than you expected to be. And you will reconnect them to each other. You will fix the misunderstanding. It will become one again for the love of music. Remember this day, the quietness, the sound of the crickets, the sound of the animals, the insects, wind blowing from the east to the west, the sun setting down on the west horizon behind Mount Nativ. No pollution, barely light pollution. Very nice people, very hospitable and kind. They look up into you. In times of trouble, I want you to revisit this video. Tomorrow will be your birthday. It will be the 36th birthday, and your goal is to live in your hometown. There's no other place like home.